papa John Dramani mama ku piasiam odi afuto di amaye nuanom akristofo ene nkremofo ne Ghanafo nyanso obesera da yama ahohwese ana afi nso enwomasua ene ne mahuduo bia ene esom hyehye yebo abra no yentwe ho famfiri ho na nubo no so yenyina kwa na bebo amoman yatimi akoduru bosha asase so
this ede mama nkra so ede nsem ede atu nkremofo anim se niema boni bia nsem fata bia no montwe mo ho efiri ho
na Ghanafo baka na nsemo ene ayere pa South Africa memo Ghanafo tu kwan ene bi mema mahodofo ade hyem kopie mu e South Africa no ene mpamro pa ye fe bi se xenophobia attacks nyasem kuma omo asibira mo pam nendra ene abrewa yipuma kwa magana man yibobo ade hia no efe di kan abeduro manyim ensebe na to dwaide mu kire mu ebesomo
Chief Resident Engineer Edema of Ankonsan Road Project no akasa echemu se kwan na yade omugusu ye no maye no beye 82% enche ombetimi awie
na kwafalaba no kwanse kwankyerefo penin Edema Light International Church Apostle Dr. Samuel Kofi Dazi ede afuto de magana for so besra da atendie wa be fonten tan so ne yade ha dwen nempo Ghana man penin de da na dankwa kufu adum ponya de obetumi abi na no ede Ghana man penin nya papa John Dramani mama tem dakra
Muslim youth leader Edema Mansu Tonto Krom akasa echemu se eye meburu no omukoto na social media so edidi mpenifo atem no omunjai
ede ne be kyerema kopie mu ewo wa west meye mantem nim na bagetaw kuro bi ede da so eye Matthew na sa Matthew kuro no make say emu ache say tu inso na toye no kwantrempo no mache mienu inso na horofa ede kokra ensam no pina na kan yase wonkonwa ebe sam se ewia pam to be ka se wo dielo ha ne nsia echiripo enkroka safidie so ne yaka mo say nyankopon ya atoma meme na ebe no the biggest football game pa na betodwa e wo wiase nyina ne nyina ne say Saturday 30th May 2026 enomre no nsia pepe ha be yede na ne nyina ne say Hayaki Afrofusion Restaurant eno agboba kwantempon yin so o ma komonto ma dia bo DLFM ano yemlante a wonomba modia etena nkonwa so na wonom edi live commentary besum de bia da no Bismarck adusai kwame afum na afi edom nyaba kokohie mum e wo ye Hayaki Afrofusion Restaurant e wagboba ha yam e ho be de ni nyina ne say UEFA Champions League final no betodwa e ye Arsenal versus PSG match we no in fact Jan screen na ya mount no e so pa wo ho no na wo hwe de say de ogina pa ko pepe ntemesera bla bi inuane pie be koso sanse na drink a kire papa bi nyu papa be da say obetumi afili afem pa ntemesera yu mfa mfrim wo ban so ahye wo Jesse on Arsenal na pa na wa hye Arsenal fo Jesse PSG nso na wa hye kama na nyina nkota akire me de me Arsenal ni ntina no na me hye Kofitela de ne team ne de wa ne tua Man U amfa nti wa hwe ono no okọ be hye Arsenal de na because ye de ne se what asem na ne nyina ne se Hayaki Afrofusion Restaurant no dwumade de do so pa de dikan no opese obedi ho no ma wo kwanja betras ne didi aduane a pa bia benya bia di enu wachen so de kwa ebeboa sanso na ye wo boat ahodo nso a delivery ye bi pam enu nso enu wachen no ebia mikase bia wo ya party bi wo wade enhyiamudie bi behia aduane dodo na de dia fabra ye be ye bibia de ma okama ebia busua wo pa aduane bi de ahye fridge madin kakra nkra enkwan papa bi na wo pa stew bi a akono kama ye be nyina de ma okama entemesere wada yafa adwumade we nyina wo kan ene DLFM akabom entemesere onyankopɔ do meme na bai betenase didina wa nyina bibia nkon kan emfa mom Babadi friend prefer my true for so nene wamo ending common 0303 981 245 0303 981 245 and 0275 0257 0257 677 844 0257 677 844 Babadi ana bari bi antumi kon kan enfama sponsors na Pearl Rock Pharmacy Aya Spa and afin so a salon etechire home rack essentially na afin so wine rack na bears batik etechire luxury drive winter services na afin so grey court apartment jumadi sunku we no o maso ya sentiment na go poya Thomas Saturday mimi na be ya nimra no so na international bibia nkon kan Hayaki Afrofusion Restaurant Boba
Open sukroji anu me betimi abo adwuma ye ewo ni pedua mu dia na me kan Lumba supa e de amaun eno ni supa pa ba adwama so bia to aguso woto bi ende Ghana ha ne amano ni nyina no ba bia befa bia no eye Lumba supa nti so open no dodo atu aton sa woto agu fridge mu ne abusuafo anom obetimi afren penifo 0549889685 and 0549436616
na sanso na wie ye ka mo pa Jumade chenchenche bi baso ni nyina ne say first group band first group band bibi besi wo man yim ni nyina ne say one money DLFM aka bom ya the dance of your street at the ba ashamanfo ya ba we street we mediasa aha ne menya me ho ebe ya de pan yakopɔ ya adoma June bosu me die nim de tosunum 5th June 2026 ye mo awia pepepe 12 PM sharp ne ya sha se wa shaman dwam ho etemesrew ade hia mo wa shaman gwetire ne potem pon tema ba bia man nya fie ne fa nkire mu yakopɔ ya adoma on the 5th June ye pepepe ewa wia 12 PM ne nyina enkwahye mo ahama market honom na Phyllis eye group band no dwumadi aba no papa bi enwom pa ne chesane ma betwagu no enya senkota mesra bomode ana fa wo ho fa hyem nyame adoma no besi on the 5th June ne nyina enkwagye ani ewa ahama market honom na bibi na wo pemu nkyerema mesra dwumadi eso nkwate sane wo media partners edi akire Angel TV eka ho na afi so DLFM 106.9 eta akire enya semkumade mesra wo frem prefa ho matrufo so na ne wonom ending komo 0242 965 391 0242 965 391 0242 965 39 Womodi afrem pinfo no ko yakopɔ ya adoma on the 5th June Ashamana market ampaya ebedwa when adwuma kwa ase yentena se na yemfa ewiapam to beka se bo na mesom akenkafo ya senkunwa besom ne ye benu edi ameje so ye wofa ose ade oyo de one at Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi ma hotedin ane bantwere bonana otafri jamene mo fa se ba
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa
ya da ya ho ye ba ya de kasebo no enchiri mankasa besomo na ansa na no me wo fa se rose gold osidi ye kasebo no eye de ba dia
Wadama ebana nsempatie amamu nsem dia kasebo de hinta nyina aha ne pa hontama DLFM 106.9 kasebo no nie aha ne nyina yetie
DL News.
Yamamo akwaba afitu mirika ne hia yen ewo Facebook ana afinse YouTube na yemfa kasebo no enchiri mankasa ensomom ya hia kasebo na se ade free Ghana mampeni berema oboada yem papa John Dramedi Mahama Kachia endrada ena wiase nyina yenuanom muslimifo ayenkramofui edi wono mafasha ne mu odepa sa no mana mananya semukuma kwana Ghana mampeni ekopia se ade afuto ade ama omaga na mebunu ene yenuanom muslimifo emlante se obesere ya da yemma discipline ahohyehe eni tintima ya brabum ene wachi nso yenim mra so ne yeyere ya ho se yebetuma asu ade ne ya boa ne ya konkan ya brabum na Ghana nso ekoduru bohye asase so Ghana mampeni se de todwamra eye edoro ada afasha kese a etodwa eno piemu wa Independence Square Club Parliament wenda da ukuada kotonuma bosmena na tosodi nu nsom ewo mfimpim ye na de nu ensiem na Ghana mampeni chirim se obesra Ghana mrante yamma ye ho modin biada sei yebetimi aboye braye ne yabrabo etimi akonkanem o mampeni chirema nansen o maga na mebunu adeba ko ba man mu kobra ne tumi hyiwi na de sense kusie sen ede adea na wosia yetum dwoto nti o chirema emwa yen ene etramo ne nubone mebunu nyi no nom saa na mabrabo nyina basa kobare gina hodo ma no tonko ene ne ya asa akokwa yade aka no o mampeni chiremi se wo sunsanso bona be ma yabrabo da chinti no basira da ye kwaya nimu na moboni se no yentwe ho fafiri ho kra Ghana mampeni chirim se Ghana mputo nda dache ejina ho so hye ena afisu mebuna betumi asu adwuma pa aye adwumaden aboa momen ye bode chidom de akobɔ hyasas ndo mampeni chirim se obesre Ghana mebunu nyan sanom munya nubone nom ta munya hye ne yenyina yenya adwumaden yensu ade ne yemfa Ghana ekore ne mampeni dim sei
As Muslims, we are guided by the teachings and examples of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, whose life embodied mercy, humility, honesty, kindness, and justice. We're also blessed in Ghana to have the enduring example of our revered national chief imam, Sheikh Dr. Osman Nuhu Shaributu, whose life continues to inspire all Ghanaians through his humility, his compassion, his simplicity, his tolerance, and his peace building.
DLFM 106.9.
Let us emulate these noble virtues in our daily lives too. I especially encourage our young people to remain disciplined, law-abiding, respectful, and responsible citizens. I urge you to also avoid drug addiction. Our nation needs young people who are focused on education, skills, hard work, entrepreneurship, and service to humanity.
Ghana man penny we yepe and was saying seminal. A boy pursued the ala wajume didn't own some pinaka. Into mamma quite a microphone simony me, mimprum minim, Namen can be in a Ghana for whom say yes, me or man penny, John, drum, Betty mamma on the pa at the moment. Ghana man penny at Twasso and witchery man. Or may you move a 2 baby of a fair baby at Nasono. Ne do baby no my bassa, no my bassa, Jessica Sam, and Concane. Just an my busy bassa, now so now bent to Tony Mamane, or man ye gusua. Ye kwa nim kakranka kraman pani tirem se obesra Ghana fo yemfa obuo pa ema ye ho afenso asomdwa ye wono yemamodin se ye bejere ye ho na nya gba ho ban visa asomdwa de se kusu efri ense bofom set kire din yentimi se bio enti obesra dam enkremosom akristosum na nanom atire nkonwade nyina ye pe enti obia nyine nyonkuntum nyina ye mo na Ghana asomdwe nkoso eni yanim ekan.
When my administration took over office, we inherited significant economic difficulties that affected businesses.
There be any ayepeno opeso obu careful nanso oboa yemfa o mampeni yentiu.
The lessons of Eid al-Adha therefore extend far beyond the slaughtering of animals. The occasion calls on us to sacrifice, be selfless, don't hate one another, not to be greedy, not to divide amongst ourselves, not to be dishonest, and not to be indifferent to each other's suffering. It reminds us that true worship is grounded in sincerity, devotion, humility, and compassion. As Allah tells us in the Holy Quran, in Surah Al-Hajj, He says, their meat will not reach Allah, nor will their blood, but what reaches Allah is piety from you. So it's not the meat that you slaughter or the blood that is spilled that will reach Allah. What will reach Allah is your heart and how pious you are. This verse beautifully teaches us that Allah values not only the physical sacrifice but also the righteousness, devotion, and charity behind the sacrifice. Islam also teaches us that the meat from the sacrifice should be shared amongst family, friends, neighbors, and most importantly, the poor and vulnerable in society. This spirit of sharing and caring is among the greatest strength of the Islamic religion. My brothers and sisters, the message of Eid is particularly important in today's world where many societies are facing division, intolerance, violence, and conflict. Ghana continues to stand out as a shining example of peaceful coexistence among people of different faiths and backgrounds. Christians and Muslims have lived together harmoniously for generations, sharing communities, schools, businesses, and evening family ties.
Nessa bibia kama pa. Eno wachi eno mampeni echirima sesi amene okasei. Aban ba ene sikasam nye. Na esa hwene hwi no, na nkwaye kura. Na Ghana mampeni yam papa John Dramani Mahama na dama ene aban atoto ne ma. Mesikasem gusu a ekọ nanim enkakra. Enti enche Ghana be de say heaven na bibia kama e de amomam. O mampeni chirima yam fantuma nim na aban ba bọ no homaden atimi afa. Arabic teachers pade mpim sia 6000 mo kira de ewo eye Arabic schools mu o manima eboa pa mankremusum no ne ma konkan e de amount o kirem say bibia be kama o mo fa omadwuma nso o mu na obi aka mo tu obi aka aban e teacher ni bi aka wo memti aban gusu a obo dwuma de aboma mputudwuma etimi akoso.
When my administration took over office, we inherited significant economic difficulties that affected businesses, families, and especially young people seeking opportunities. Over the past months, we have worked diligently to stabilize the economy, to restore confidence, and build a stronger foundation for growth and job creation. Today, I'm pleased to report to you that there are signs of recovery and Ghana has renewed hope. Our focus now remains on creating jobs, supporting local enterprises, expanding opportunities for young people, and improving living conditions for ordinary Ghanaians. Through our 24-hour economy policies, skills development initiatives, apprenticeship programs, and industrial transformation agenda, we aim to create sustainable employment opportunities for our youth. No community will be left behind in this national reset agenda. I'm particularly pleased with the progress we are making with development initiatives in our Zongo communities. Very soon, construction and rehabilitation of roads and other infrastructure projects will begin in several Zongo communities across the country. We are starting with the Koforidua Zongo area, the road network, and similar projects will be replicated in other Zongo communities. We are determined to improve infrastructure, sanitation, education, healthcare, and economic opportunities across all Zongos in Ghana. I'm also pleased to announce that through the Youth Employment Agency, the government has so far recruited 6,000 Arabic teachers to support Islamic education and create employment for young people. And I must add that the 6,000 Arabic teachers have been fully paid. Government doesn't owe them 1 cedi. We pay them up to date.
Aya ban ono woro kaba kokra na eno achi na Ghana mampeni echirem say esesi ameka say yenuanom Zango communities no bebe yenuanom kremofo do na ho no aban gusa wo po adwumaden na wabie biensa no dwuma bebre na titrumpo no eye STEM education school pon no na boa etetem mebu no wansa no dwuma kwa so no oba besisi bi wo mmea hodo pi na Zango communities ne mmea nipa no do so mabo apeso na boa memobo do na nyansa no dwuma se ba da chi bia no wo musabra bo betimi akonkane e wo manyi.
We're going to commence construction of new community day STEM secondary schools in densely populated urban areas of the country, and many of the Zongos across the country will benefit from this initiative. So where we have dense Zongo communities or dense urban populations, we'll put a modern community day E-block STEM secondary school in the community, so that the children don't have to travel far away, be posted to Kukurantumi or to Boko or to Aflao out of their communities. They will go to school right there within their communities. I wish to express my sincere thanks to the Council of Zongo Chiefs for generously providing land for these important projects. By this initiative, we shall bring quality STEM education to the doorsteps of our deprived communities.
Any awoti ye aya Ghana mampeni parama obuata John Dramani Mahama.
Yantua Kasiabone Sona DC Edema Hafuano Southwest Mensninim Ayonyan for Abubakar Sadek Eden Sam Edia 2 Yanum Cremofo and Nimniti Mebuno. So Moncho Moho every suban bonnet and Niama Boni be on moye no ebetimi ahawom esan senkre som no entisa na eye DC man near maybe wo honoma mebunu ne ya na chese enkoye kura na de bia na omo bo machi na nkremofo mebunu ne yese ana enruboni omo no mensanom niama boni ahodo moye ewo man mo ese ha adwinye ba pa egu eye Islamic som ne so anima asen na emomo hye eye mebunu ne so mo fa ahohyeso asumdue no munim raso ewo man Ghana mu no de adesrewe editudwa ewo abrafiwe edo ada eye celebration no ekoso ewo mankra so wasantimante mu anodi tudwa no chemu so bia eye muslimifo no enim se du edo ada say dia na chesenkyerechire no efa afawebo eye obuo ahobrase ne asumdue hu eno ana chese Islamic som no etimi ekoso yentimabunu no eni su no munim raso sane be ya mo so no ebetimi aboa wom no sanso ekasa ye echemu so mo amutwi moto basabasa ewo kwan so no omo hwese akwan so hyehyɛ no betimi adi so sane be ya akwanhye bia entimi si na obia enhwe ne kra no sanso editudwa echemu say ya de obo mampani John Dramani Mahama baso so no nso enya agidie ewo ni mu so won som ne manfo a ewo mansininim
Mele side ya fu ne sunkoma me beka niwa Ghana mu ebo mi du start adwuma no enna pepepe ena binya afeba abo si na enne no mesu fa akonya e de frame paibo e de ma yewu Ghana man peni esa bompai se bi ko emo ye ho ban na ne pese ye ma fo no yintimi enye also festival bi a ye ya se bi eta kunkum ye sacrifice e de ma nyankopon na se bi na adofo nyina ye de ahia ntafutu kakra me de ma nuanu mabun ne se mesre e ma omonfa anije because ugo hu a edu occasion say na nipa ni wo no obagina ni a mana abreso no de motorbikes etumika ade be chi no na nsem bebre na ye de asi ti e mesre mabun na se bia ejina ni a onto no bo se na be a o chana yankoti bi boni bia anye de emfa ai sala yo ya mo bia bakare sala ya yɛbɔ mpaeɛ sɛ afiri foforɔ ɛnsan bɛto obiara ɛmfa empire na ɔmde taa makyi ɛyɛ 1 year na ɛnsan fa ntaa makyi bio because wohyia nnipa no bi a sɛ nkuranhyɛsɛm ne afotuo a ɔmo ɛde mayɛ no ɛhyɛ nkuran a yɛpɛ sɛ ɛsom mo ɛyie so because saa nkuranhyɛsɛm no ɛna motivate ɛma yɛtumi yɛ nnwuma bebree sɛ nso ka no within 4 years anaasɛ bi a number of years a menya ɛwɔ office no meekɔ a obiara bɛhu adeɛ a mesoma yɛ dɛn mayɛ de abɔ mmansi
Eni ya uti ye DC ede mahafa no Southwest Mensini no nyonyamfo Abubakar Sadiq na manibo ye nsem twoni Barbara Kranti na different sentimentemo ebesomye
yanto akase wono so ne nyina mu ewo oman Ghana de hia wonum kaka atwam ewo South Africa mamum na omanpenin yam papa John Dramani Mahama enam asaya hwe omen ene amono nkitahudie so mekire Foreign Affairs Ministry no ayem papa Samuel oneminyamfo oku jeto abrakwada no wonum aboa pa mene oman Ghana de hye kaka atwam ewo bi manso South Africa me obo no homaden atumi apoa ema wonum pore ahamiensa trende ne mo bepie mu ewo oman Ghana mum na adihye bepie ye ewo mra Ghana mampeni yem papa John Dramani Mahama de tumi edihye wo menye Chief of Staff yem papa Julius Edabra anafinso Minister for Foreign Affairs onimnyamfo Samuel okujeto abrakwa na mbomodin akoboa ya omukwohia adihye wo airport na bibia kwakama chesa adihye ka pre wo mantua bi ewiemu hyen omofo ni free bomframa free omabedura me ma sa somdwe nkwan na we nyina na montu a aban eboa sebaya Ghana adihye a oman South Africa adehye etu ahye wonmo so etata wonmo som ebrobinum ekirem se monko mama mkoye mukuro mu ye mumfiri ha mabagye adwuma ye ama enya adwuma nye ntobi anko do kurom na nkokoye adwuma na Ghana ban ekirem se Ghana adehye makaka adwuma South Africa memu modoso pam ombaburo beye ahanwotwe beye 800 nanso meka sei no aban entumfo mu nyina mada kurute no ended na fe di kan face wa no omani ni papode 300 ahamiensa ebo manyim omohwa nim se enchema maka ne ngopɔ ya atoma enchebe omo so ba betu na bibia tumi akonkan ede amoman se ba ya Ghana de hye bia no ehu enkonkaka omampani ekirem se hye bi ode gwa kwam ne ede beboa pa ma Ghana de hye omo kaka adwamu no obia hu atimi atonom na oswafo no hwe oman Ghana oman ni amano ne kitahudie suom oniminyamfo Samuel okujeto abrakwa ekirem se Ghana de hye pode do nunsia eya South Africa mpere wodom to afiase kirem sei wo mon krata asem nye no wo man hyehye pema ban na jaw man na wo so be piem wo Ghana hanom na ndada emra wakaso dem sem sei e de to dwade fa Ghana de hye a wo mko da afiase obi manso wo na wo mon krata enya papa.
Let me especially welcome the 26 Ghanaians who we negotiated. They were in prison, they had been detained for visa violations. We negotiated with the South African government that since we are evacuating our nationals, we don't want to leave anybody behind in prison. And South African government agreed with us. So I want to thank President Cyril Ramaphosa and my counterpart, Foreign Minister Roland Lamola, for accepting our plea. So now there is no Ghanaian in any South African prison for visa violations. We have brought all of them back home. Your government will continue to care for you, and President Mahama will never ever disappoint you. I thank you very much. God bless you.
Na enuwachi no niminyamfo Samuel oku jeto abrakwa etone kasa so na wokirema Ghana man penishe pade agwa komo begina mu paboa se beya nimpa akodo mo kaka adwuma South Africa mamu no wunya bedu pe na ban epa nursefo doctors o magina wo so aboa esam se bia psychologically no akwenya problem kakra ehunehuna ne ade nti no ama wadwene mo anya hawa wo betumi aboa ahwe wo yade kama kapre wuntua eno wachi nso aban ebo bibia da wo firi wa Ghana ha no boma wo sika de be ye hyentede TNT lolo fa de akofie eno wachi nso aban betumi agina mu no ama allowance kakra sa sika no ebia na wadwuma sam bibia ye basante wo ba de sika na be hya brabo asefoforo eno wachi nso wo pa adwuma ya ban bedu ne maboa se be ya benya adwuma ye na mo nso so ha mo kofa mu no mo ho atumi ahha mo ewo manyim.
We thank the Almighty for protecting our lives, and we thank Him for giving us a leader in the person of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, who values the lives of Ghanaians. Today, the Mahama administration is demonstrating that wherever Ghanaians are, we will make sure you are protected, your dignity is respected, and we will go to the length of this world to bring you back home safely. On behalf of President John Dramani Mahama, we say Akwaba to all of you. Obake, Wezolo. And we want to thank all our partners. The Chief of Staff has been very instrumental in mobilizing all of us to put this evacuation together. We want to thank NADMO. We want to thank the Gender Ministry, the Honorable Gender Minister. We want to thank our international partners, IOM, who are working with us. And I thank all colleagues at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, including my own brother, the Honorable James Jachi Kwesi, very hardworking, very dynamic, very professional. We have medical doctors, we have nurses here to take care of you. That is not all. President Mahama says that all of you should be given 2 special allowances. One for your transportation. So there will be a transportation allowance to wherever you live, wherever your homes are, whoever you are going to connect to. And then there will be a reintegration allowance, a special package to help you put your lives back on track.
Any awuti yono no yo swafo hwe my Ghana ene amonone kitahudi so mekyere foreign affairs minister oniminyamfo Samuel Oku Jeto Abrakwa na no wachi na Ghana de hia wadom kopie wa South Africa ma ne o mabafie no Omafilia fem, Omania Gibraltar. Nansa na no bi mu di kan e de nwum to sei e de hyehyɛ so mra mbepie mu e wo my Ghana. When be do your para mo say yes. Nyankopon edom hu afofie pa ma South Africa sabe entwi aha wo manku wo mo enti o mafiria fam pam na eno achi na o ne ye che e ho ahodo mo fa mu e wa South Africa mo se binim so kirem se Ghana man panini aben abo mo panya wo mo dia I've
been hijacked before and I've been shot upon and they took my car from me and then I still got a bullet rightly in my spine and which they failed to take it out. So those are some of my experiences which I encountered in South Africa. Currently we're waiting for the government and the government is going to give us a job and also make an incentive for us to enhance on our performances here.
I did Kambema, your Messiah, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Adjoa Agyei Sikapa. I said, I was in Foreign Minister, Mr. Samuel Oku Abrakwa. I mentioned Bibia Wobia, Nyanko Bonfa, Papa John Dramani Mahama, Naduma, the Abdomen, the Abdomen, on Fandum Sapa, Bomshe, because some you see and Adjoa Agyei Sikapa, Ukrainian and Adjoa Agyei Sikapa. I said, I was in Zone Ambassador, Honorable Mr. Benjamin Wash.
Ethiopia Airlines, I'll recommend it. We're thankful that we are here safely and a smooth ride. Ethiopia Airlines, I'll recommend it. Yes. And it's a nice ride. And enjoy that. I am going to Sunyani. Yes, I want to enjoy my life there a little bit.
That's where family is?
Yes, that's where my family is. South Africa is unpredictable. We have good ones, but the bad boys have more than the good ones.
F match. Now me call Honom Nadia. Kenya is a mama 10 years in 2016. 30. Me call South Africa 10 years in 2016. 30th match. Now me call Honom Nadia. Kenya is a mama. Me call one call me you know. And last 2 years, I'm much me. And in about 2 years, I was serving police station. say I'm a bit them. You're very safe and very, very, very happy. What I can say for now. Thank you.
Yeah, make us say asida kesi nkoma ye mampin. Ayade pa ayade. Cause yes an kan kwasa fo ekuyen. Feelings in the heavy bosu. Yantumi explain. Ayade pa ayade. Cause yes an kan kwasa fo ekuyen. Ayade. Cause yes an kan kwasa fo ekuyen. Kan kwasa fo ekuyen. Cause yes an kan kwasa fo ekuyen. Feelings in the heavy bosu. Yantumi explain. Heavy pa ya belemu yeze. We should feel good. You are who pure crana yourself.
Edi aba bedu amasun bem. Omo bumibu. Opa me ncho.
Ade wa ye na bo adwene ntia because senyo no a enkasa breme enkaminim de bia sie. Efiti kwasi ada so said your mom boy ho ban ahwe ye so abeti nne no. Ye ka chente da na se woni na busuafo even empanifo aka ho nyina da nyame ehira ema wo mo.
DLFM 106.9.
Enti wei eyo my Ghana de hia wonum kopie mu wasa traffic obi manso endada o mampeni ebugina mu ma efe di kan ba ye no wonum akwasem na omoni gisem ne ani mu ache bi se senye o mampeni ada mankasa bi nkwasiafo yi akuyen enya se mukuma kra ano adene yento akase bo no so
Yentua Kasiabone so na Chief Resident Engineer Edema of Enquires Sanwem Road Project no engineer Kwabena Bempon akasa echemu se ade akwantempo na omo ye no se omaye no 82% enche omo betimi awie na ne aka na Sanwem ene ne importem kakra bi no de nsemi editon sem twofo anim bna de twam kotoni mabosom ne de toso aduonu nsian ana engineer Bempon edi tudwa ana ochemu se project se ne aka ye earthworks no ene ne marketing bi ombetimi aye na chese omatimi awie na project na ya ade a deadline omde ma awom na ka ye kitan sabosom ne de toso aduonu won fimpim yenu ne aduonu nan ni mun omentimi aye a omo hye se nka kotoni mabosom ne de toso aduonu baako won fimpim yenu ne aduonu numu de nka ombetimi aye awie no so no enya ade a omutimi eye wie ye nto omo hwe anim se ebe ma omomre kakra se na ebe ya enwuma na aka no ombetimi aye awie na omo chema na how bi so utilities ahodo eno free electricity company of Ghana and Ghana Water Limited ho eno nam sunti no ana chese omo twentwa omo na asia besi ne enya ade a project no omatimi awie.
Now, if we're talking about the Pokwase in Sawam Road project, this is a road project that we all know has been on for many years. We've had a number of challenges, and these challenges relate to both the employer, the contractor, and other issues. And those other issues, I'll call them the stakeholder issues. So let me start with the employer. I think that we are aware that for some time, the contractor, when we started, it was going well. The contractor was not being paid for probably close to 14 months or so, and that led to very slow progress of work. And once for construction, once there's a break in the flow, then you would begin to have myriad of problems. And as I was telling you off camera, that I have never been on such on a project in my over 3 decades of engineering, design and construction supervision, where we have that many challenges that refuse to go. Okay, so that is the part where. But then the good news is that the President of the Republic came here. I remember we're standing just across the street, and he promised to pay. So he made good his promise and paid some money. But when these monies are paid, you obviously know that the contractor has a lot of putting the money in a hole. Okay, but then they have now added this to the big push.
Engineer Kwabena Bempon no ana Chief Resident Engineer Edema of Enquires in Sanwem Road Project.
Yanto akasebon so na yenko piem wa piem mantem na General Overseer Edema Leaders Light International Church ewa piem mantem ya Apostle Dr. Samuel Kofi Dazi Echiriman nema bi ekoso wa Michael na meburu no ekwan hodo won fa so ede abefontentan edi agori wo mayi mu no atete social media no Ochirema ne ma Ghana mpanifo atem die pa titire no mampani ote ba nwa soyin yetumi di na atemfri ne tirisu kosi fom ede ade Apostle Chirem say anamontu a Ghana fom ebunu tu no ehu pam na sabi ya kasa freedom of speech so bia ho kwan so kana wane nkyere sabi ye ni di mpanifo atem enya kra enti obesre sana muntu a omega na mebunu atwe omosi omutu no munya efise nsusanso bona betumi di ama omen ye dachen na Ochirema Ghana mampeni dada na danka kufu adumpo ontumi ndidi o mampeni otabanwa esu atem enti adenti ena bepem sam na yekesi Ghana mebuno mumu ade na mapagya mokon ahwewiem na sabia teni enko na ekosuem o kirema asesei Ghana mampeni dada besom yamfinhia wotwe ono akasa hunze da memu ne tie mu odene pa nya betese betuma bedi o mampeni Ghana manyi nyina ese wosere so enti adwuma na edene ti so bi ba na wo soma edum pempen so betumi akire ya dwen nanso sabi yenye no buo kwan so apostle ekirema sesi amekese wo hwe kwan ahodo bi o ma Ghana nkolai edim penifu atem left right center ne adade ha dwen wo hwe asante hene ne yedi na tem nkrabo preman tem gamanche ne yedi na tem sam penifu sabi o mka bie wo mu yadwuma den abobrache awo man mu sabi o mu wadin ne penifu hwe mo sigu o mo so wo mu kirem sei M1 Saturday de ni ade nso sans bone wo ho no mtembebu ni hwe na sana mabone no yenya kra
unim na nsa metie Pastor Isudana ba no be say what is his biggest problem and I say because he established a church. No be say the second one say because he established a church. Third one say because he established a church. Na me Martina say for now obi tumi ye bibi obi betumi akakasa bi obi betumi ayi suban bi adi na ma ye calm because say any no nti asore da so wati asore da enka on kasa nti obi betumi aye president and the dinner attend because when you president da so why president da menye sure say o mampani Akufuado ebebie na no ahye da sebe asese mampani Mahama Pasia ne den because we the president da onim senia lord kwan yetie onim senia gota yetie onim how what you say nti obi a why bibi pen kasa bi mfina na mrantie ne maba wa asisi no okra degree keke na we nyina wazana da na meka kire say mo mrantie ne maba yanyansa no adwuma bi obewie school akoye adwuma bi na brofo hunu a won wi a won de brofo no keka nkwase asɛmpe nti sɛ me kana me tufu na me kana sɛ ye ma ya mrabu no nko school ko suansa no adwuma obewie school no ya accountant or ya lawyer or doctor or nurse bo won ko sua brofo hu a no won wie no won tifia kekede a ensem hunu sɛ ya no won bedi na enya de pakora siti obi tumi kasa ti otumfo obi tumi kasa kire gamanche obi tumi kasa Ulabo no one. Sakonya no one teso no. I'm speaking from me makonya kakra betiso. This 37 church club me managing no. It's not an easy thing.
Osafo ho kire no. Asafo aduasa enwotwe no. Enye easy no be yo mampeni. Eno wachi an apostle. Dazi ekirem say. Sesi amekese Ghana fo mebu no pine wu rough. Omo nche na o mawu. Ena mateni a omudidi mpenifo na ka ho nene. Emebu ni ntumi nyine nche. O kirema atwere kwankwan kata sabi yemfo bo na ne die emere ne die sentitiru ne yawofo nti ebanesa nenne mutumetwere mosen ego mampeni ne mpenifo wo do mo bo oman o kirema du ba bia na se amemmo ne nkon kan sika sem koyia sabi nya atende na beboa mempuntu aba ni senti bibi kwase na ubeta kyerɛ wadwena sabi kyerɛ wadwen wo buo kwanzo fa ne die ma ne die sa ne kama kyerɛ wadwen sa de tie ba pepe na yi atende afiri mu ebasa beboa pa na nya ne sa na mu di mpenifo atem sa de a eno se so mampeni adwen emebi ade wo pe no wonsanka ebeya no media ma odache
maami fie maami nua no mo pani bia wanyi se mo wa no nto ne da bia bible na se mo ko se diwaja no nani na wonpa na waro asase so kisa ade na Ghana magu ye di dimpani fo ate o se tin won so sa anya voice ni na eku ni po won nu asem awon de ti voice ni mu no na eku mo so ade ase akola wo mu pani na udi kiti papa ubewu sesi a me ya so pan ya gwa ma sorry so asofo a eti atua wo me mom me ni time me de ko bompa ya etia obi ni wono ma wanfa kwan papa so ankwa bewu sesi ni yie e authority enyankopon na I establish it so yan fa ni die mania ni die se fact ayama we say Ghana na wo baba we kura na no na onema president Mahama ya die na wo kura ba school ebuye sebi ye president Mahama kura na ko nwanto ho ne magina ho kura wo betunya praise wo ho betu wo ma
dabi ne mana kura na wo men won na wangasa ho na eno achi ana apostle no kwakrem ekirem am ade ba kodi na ni de ekire pa ne se wo hwe Ghana de hye omanya kwanya kopim obi manso amanone a ene mpanifo ya twetwe ne atem sabi ne de nipa etukwakuo ho ye dimpani atem left right mi center sam o kiramba hu se wo benyi ne bedu finhye be ya aduonum kwa aduosia 50 to 60 years no masha se opache bone mo boy ye didi mpanifo atem na di wo machi tata wa no sam ene obedi bone wo bedwane wo bre obi ampam enti munyai ente sa mo betumi akwatena blochira koye grass nko na so moboa emene bi ba mbasa ba pampanifo eche visa de mo ye no eye no me abra bone anamo ena mutui
timesre titiri mu nyina mama nyam emra mo kasem obi a pese wonyi nkyem fa pani bi pani Ghana economy enkoyia enye oyekwasia na be fix economy o ebi a papa Mahama odawro man nti obi be ga say president Mahama bae onye hwe o ye papa wo bae anye bia wa hwewe ahwewe o baba nti sa wo ye ne baba ka betumi agina na nima akasa o baba odawro ma wa ye ayewe na ye sere won say house ya atwawani ye den e be hwe kakra na da na ebi ensuo to ye fa abrori su nyina I think say wasama wakan papa de betu baby na we sorry na ebiti abrochire na ye di social media ye di mpanifo atem in fact sankrofo ni nyina no me mompa ye ntia o because wo wusa so anyama bi wa mu benyi no abrabanga sa be kire mu kasa mutumi kan in your 30s and your 40s mu be mu 50s and 60s oho na be hu say onama na wo pacha wo no bi nyina wo pacha wo na
aha wo bedwane pa nanso no bia ne ho ana o chesi wo enti mo hwena munyan sa anamobone a mutu edidi mpanifo atem go manyim eni a wuti ono ene ye general overseer edema Leaders Light International Church Apostle Dr. Samuel Kofi Dazi ena wote ne kana mane boyin yensem dwere ni konte hini Kofi obo Kofi anantuo ene di free appeamentem Eastern Region ebesom ye yenyina we so ne yakeka madwenkyere ni bi emfansomom na yakọ Facebook no so Ghana for e de adwenkyere ni bi aba na dole ya Adjoa Agyei de aba no wo ma ya ha Sammy B na wo live e de free Christian village achem water ncha kase enkoma na dofo nyina na wo kire ma dia news ne de in fact eye mokobe lamye eyem osedan lanyemli aha wa lamli wa odan osedan obabe e kire sen obaba ne kire sen mo amotenkra na obaba ne kire sen adia omokura montie o obabe no go on the tin crying now Kofi Parliament the abano said that South African even know that what goes around surely comes around opinion kwese hwe bi so yenhwe wo mu bi agi yegwa wo mu de akoso ba form no Ghana yentumi nyo mo hwe betumi asibire mo ankatu atwa komo bu ye na ya hanso okoso ho ye bro me ye bro na ye bro se fi akire din no obi akofa ne de we edo e de aba wo mu de afom ho ani sisa na be ya mo wo de omutumi yankwese hwe yiwani why o se de news loud in aggravo bi kuma pa Kofi Parliament na me da se na me wafa si ni den o de Simba de aba na wo say o hwe life e de free pon aha me wafa si Simba so o hwe life e de free pon e ho na wo hwe free no wo say Yakopon hina Ghana man panin na adwumaden kase a waye akwafa Ghana foi e de free South Africa memo e de ba me wafa si e Simba pon no hwe yen e de free awie kase bo na ye de semusemufo na ye Miss Mebelantwi ene se mu e de ma ye champion te de ekopie mum e wo Facebook na viyiti makase bo no wunya bi hwe DJ Zigby etinchim kasefre mfuma de sumi ya wiei mark yesenso e man mola support fian misika sa so birthday bi honom e boni tel na yenko
enti Kofi pacha obeboa me kakra happy birthday we de edikan e kwa magoda Lisa and there your birthday Yakopon din fie bako aka won fie hu ne meka cha oni se Yakopon sha na onye okese onyi won free adumo enkwa adumo no na de ode onsabe so mu bia Yakopon onye enfema so happy birthday Godalisa ni etoso mienu no ekọ ede ama agogo ene your birthday won so Yakopon onsha na wonye okese and now your birthday and you need to enjoy it to the fullest so happy birthday agogo fine gentleman Yakopon onsha ye papa no ya wakoma so ade ni na emfa emma happy birthday agogo last one ekọ ede ama Michael ewusin we every wo sister honom anachese o say memfa emma Adjoa Agyei or yeah assistant secretary the my precious fans of DL and o say and there your birthday nti Yakopon onsha na wonya okese wo sister o say odo ye papa nti no Michael ewusin Yakopon onsha ma wunyi embeye penny pasa ne be ya dachi bi no onso betimi aboa wabusuafo ene omange ne nti Yakopon onsha no onye wo kese
na picture na ye ono wane de na ba afudie bia
na sele nye masipati
ene de Yakopon Jesus Christ
ele be bia ojina
anu adi no say homkom akenka for ye sinkunya ba sum ye banu two shop e dia meje so ya wofa o se ade ya de wa at Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B ma hotedin ene bantwere bona na otafirija mene mo fa se besi aba
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa
ana hotedin
Adjoa wedding
se unim besi aba
dabi
hwe na dia wonte ha ya soro kwe ye ba menyina moniti ade hye so na Adjoa sik na pamfo na betena se ene ye de betezi wo enti na ye friend sen
ene ya wada kompon
ya wada de be na Teresa moment no
Wednesdays
ene ya mba no nka me pese obedi me ye ni Teresa
ese papa ben why you obi anti e de ye Teresa
me ba sa so menye papa da
oya ma hwan
ade ade ya time aso mon soro nko ye ma menyina moniti ade hye ya kra mo
give us speak